Mercedes headlight flickering is usually an electrical issue affecting the vehicle's lighting system. The most common causes include faulty ground connections, which can cause resistance and flickering. Bulb or module failure is especially common in LED and HID systems. Wiring problems and control module glitches in the body control module can also be factors. Start with initial checks. First, visually inspect the headlight assembly for any signs of moisture or damage. Next, check the ground connections for corrosion and ensure they are tightly secured. Use a multimeter to test the voltage at the headlight socket. It should be stable, typically around 12 to 14 volts. Fluctuations indicate a power supply issue. Scan for error codes using an OBD2 tool. This can reveal issues, especially with the body control module in newer models. Remember to always disconnect the battery before working on electrical components for safety. Clean the ground connections with a wire brush to remove corrosion. This is often the most common fix for flickering. For HID systems, replace faulty bulbs or ballasts with OEM parts such as Philips D3S or Osram D1S. For LED headlights, replace the entire module if internal diode failure or overheating is confirmed. In newer Mercedes models, software glitches in the body control module are common. Get the BCM flashed with the latest firmware at a dealership. After making any repairs, reassemble the headlight and test drive the car at night. Ensure no flickering occurs when using accessories like AC or wipers. Remember, if the flickering persists after these steps, it's best to consult a professional mechanic who specializes in Mercedes vehicles.